Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your blog list on Snapchat. It's super simple and easy. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Snapchat app on your phone. And once you're on Snapchat, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. On your profile page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. And once you are in the settings, scroll down to the very end. And here you will find the option that says blocked users. Go ahead and tap on that. Here you will see a list of all the users you have blocked on Snapchat. If you want to unblock someone, simply tap on the X next to their name and confirm. And that's it. That's how easy it is to check your block list on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.